Inside this box is one of the most coveted, hyped, insanely sought-after smartphone packages by K-pop fans. Guys, this is my unboxing of the Blackpink limited edition Samsung Galaxy A80 set. Yes, this isn't the A80 normal set with the picture of Blackpink. This is the actual Blackpink limited edition with the Blackpink Galaxy Buds and the Blackpink watch. Let's check it out. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have 6 ongoing giveaways ranging from smartphones to sneakers, accessories, and Funko Pops. All you guys have to do, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the links down below in the description boxes to see the rest of the mechanics for the 6 ongoing giveaways. Good luck! Now, this isn't a mystery box, as you guys probably are thinking, because it comes in this black box. This is how the package comes in if you buy it in a Samsung store. Actually picked this up from the Samsung store over at SM Mega Mall, and I was surprised that it came in such a massive and pretty package. You'll see why it's pretty in a bit. So let's pop the lid open of this black box, and the first thing that you guys will see is the new album of Blackpink, Kill This Love. So it has the Blackpink logo up front. I won't open it up. What is it, a CD? I mean, is that still a thing these days? So maybe we'll open it already to see what it actually looks like inside. So it comes with some sort of like Blackpink book. So if you take a look at it, it has like pictures of the members of Blackpink. So all of you Blackpink fans will probably go crazy over this. Also has some sort of like small album cover, again with the names of the different Blackpink members. It has this like sticker pack over here. So let's just take this open. So you have stickers, you have cards of all of the members. I think if you put them all together, you have like a message at the back. And then you have stickers of Blackpink again, the logo, Kill This Love Blackpink, again inside the album. Of course, you have a Blackpink poster. And lastly, you have the actual CD, the album over here. So what's inside the box? Inside the box is another box. So you have another box over here. And inside it, it says, on top of it, it says Blackpink. And you have details of the phone over here along the side. So if you pop this box open, we'll probably get to the phone. Oh no, it's another box. So you have a box inside the box of a box. And inside the box is a pink box, again with the Blackpink logo here. Now this one looks more intricate, more special, and this is quite possibly the best looking smartphone box I have ever seen in my life. I mean, take a look at how intricate that logo is. So it's actually some sort of like 3D thing, and then you have the hologram thing over there. I mean, it's just a really nice looking box. And then it also says here the inclusions. You have the Galaxy A80, you have the Watch Active, and you have the Buds, the Blackpink edition. Guys, by the way, this is the one that sells for a little close to 50,000 pesos. So this is pricey. But if you think about it, the overall value is way above 50,000 because the phone is 35,000. If you add the value of the Galaxy Buds, which is another 6,000, and then the watch and the album, it should go well over 55,000 pesos. But anyway, let's pop the box open and take a look at what's inside. So the first thing that you guys see, again over here, are like more Blackpink elements inside the box cover, but you have the phone here at the very top. So this is this limited edition A80 Samsung, again by Blackpink. It's still sealed, so this one hasn't been opened yet. And then if you pop the lower part of the box open, there is this drawstring or this cord that if you pull open, wow, take a look at that presentation. You have the Buds and the watch. Wait, I have to put the phone back so you guys can appreciate it. So this is how the package is presented. You have the watch, you have the Buds, and then you have the phone. That just, wow. As in, wow, this box should win an award for the best box ever. I mean, if Samsung keeps on shipping collaborations like this, people will just go crazy. I mean, imagine a Dragon Ball phone. Ooh. But anyway, that's the geek in me. So let's open the items one by one and take a look at the devices up close. These are the 3 gadgets inside the box. We will save the best for last, which is obviously the smartphone. So we'll kick things off by taking a look at the Galaxy Buds Blackpink edition. As you guys can see over there, it's still sealed. This is still brand new, unopened. We have our trusty unboxing knife over here to take care of that tape so that we can take a look at what the buds look like. So let's take this open, pop this box open. Kind of excited to see what it looks like. It will probably be in pink also. So yeah, take a look at that, guys. So it is a black case for the buds and it says Blackpink at the top. So let me just take it out. There you have it. So it has the Blackpink logo over here. Just so you have comparison, this is the OG Galaxy Buds in white. So it just says Samsung, and this says Blackpink Samsung on the special edition one. If you pop it open, wow, take a look at that. So the buds are black and pink. So the face or the outer part is pink, and then the actual earbuds are in black. Again, just so you have comparison, this is the OG Galaxy Buds. So the difference is definitely there. You can obviously spot it from a mile away. And yeah, so that's the first item, guys. This is the Blackpink Galaxy Buds. Next, we have the Galaxy Watch Active. So we will take our knife again because as you can see, it is still sealed, both sides over here. So let's pop this open. Let's tear this open. Let's cut that. So let's take a look at what the watch looks like. So again, here it is. It does keep that black and pink colorway of the watch. And wow, as in wow. So it's obviously for ladies because if you take a look at the diameter of the face, it's very small. And you have that pink strap to go along with it. You have the sensors here at the back that monitor, I think, heart rate, and then the pedometer to be able to check the steps that you take and all of the other fitness elements that the watch is tracking. And lastly, we get to the star of the show. This is the Samsung Galaxy A80 Blackpink limited edition. Now, what's so special about the Galaxy A80 before we pop this box open? It actually has the new infinity display, and then it also has a rotating camera. So the camera at the back, which is the primary camera, if you want to take a selfie, there's a mechanism here that actually will rotate the camera so that every time you take a selfie or you take a video, you are using the best camera of the device, unlike other smartphones which just give you a subpar or secondary camera. So this is perfect for people who love doing selfies. This is perfect for people who love doing IG lives and IG stories, and I think that's one of the biggest appeals of the device. It also comes with an octa-core processor, 128 gigabytes memory, and 8 gig of RAM. So anyway, as you guys can see, it's still sealed. We have our knife over here. We'll cut this open to officially make this, there you go, unsealed. So let's pop the box open. It does come with a smart LTE SIM card, so the fastest LTE network in the Philippines, and then you have the actual phone. Wow, guys, I'm not even like a hardcore Blackpink fan, and this, I can honestly say that this device in terms of design and build is absolutely stunning. So you have the pink chrome elements along the sides of the device. So you have that nice pink over here along the edges that has a metallic shine to it. And then you have the black panel here at the back, and it says there again, Blackpink over there with the logo. Let's take away the plastic so we can have a better appreciation of the device. Boom! Nice! Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this wow. I mean, seriously, wow, wow, wow. What a nice looking phone. I really want to see the rotating camera function because I haven't tried that out yet. And I want to show it to you guys. So I'll turn the phone on first, and then let's see together how the rotating camera works. Now, while the phone is turning on, let's take a look at what else is in the box. So you have the Samsung super fast charging, wall outlet or wall charger over here. It should be able to charge your phone, I think, 50% in 30 minutes. You have a USB-C cable in black, and it does also come with, oh well, wait, this is the USB-C cable. No, this is your typical USB-C earphone. So if you don't want to use the Blackpink Galaxy Buds, which I don't know why you wouldn't want to use that. You can actually use the wired earphones instead. By the way, I'm almost done with the setup, but I did get this notice that you have a Galaxy A80 Blackpink Edition phone. The Galaxy A80 Blackpink Edition themes and stickers will be automatically updated until August 8, 2024. So apparently the software is also made for Blackpink fans. So let's turn this, let's say agree, and take a look at what the phone looks like. So it is applying the Blackpink theme right now. You can see the download bar going up there and applying the actual theme. So we should be able to see it in a few seconds, guys. Boom! Wow. So this is definitely for fans of Blackpink, because not only is the hardware Blackpink, even the actual device, the look and feel of the software is obviously Blackpink as well. Now I wanted to just turn on the phone just so I can play around with the camera. So if you turn it on like this, so the camera, well, as you can see, is pointing towards you guys. But if we turn on the selfie mode, boom, what? Woo! That is like crazy. So I mean, I'll take a close up so you guys see. So if you press the selfie mode, it moves up this panel over here, and then the camera flips. So the camera is no longer visible here at the back. It actually flipped up here up front. So again, one more demo. Man, this is really cool. So by the way, you don't need to spend 50,000 pesos to get an A80. The A80 non-Blackpink edition is just 35,000 pesos. But anyway, one more time. Selfie mode. Boom. That's just really cool. One more thing. Even the screen protector or the screen lock, the lock screen animation is Blackpink. So this is really definitely fan service for all of you Blackpink fans out there. So one more time, let's go over the contents of the package. You have the Galaxy A80 Blackpink edition over here with the rotating camera. You have the album with a lot of the Blackpink memorabilia. You have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active again in black and pink. And you have the Galaxy Buds in black and pink as well. The total amount that you pay for the entire thing is 49,000 something pesos. But the overall value of the package is actually bigger than that. Again, the phone is 35,000. The Galaxy Buds is at 6,990. I think the watch is a little over 12,000. And the album is a little close to 2,000. So if you add all of that up, that's roughly 56,000 pesos in value, and you just pay 50,000 for it. So you're actually saving around 6,000 pesos if you will buy all of the items one by one. So now you're probably thinking, Carlo, why did you buy the entire thing if you're not even like a hardcore like Blackpink fan? Well, to be honest, I really wanted to review the Galaxy A80 because of the rotating camera. And when I did ask on Instagram what was the phone that you guys wanted to see me unbox, a lot of you mentioned for me to check out the A80 Blackpink edition. So here we go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up our vlog for today. However, we still have our power-up words of wisdom. And for our power-up words of wisdom, I just want to encourage all of you to draw inspiration from your idols such as Blackpink to actually create stuff yourself. So you don't just get stuck to consuming and watching and listening all of the stuff that your favorite creator or your favorite celebrity or band puts out. Take that inspiration and use it in a positive way to either be a creator yourself or use it in a positive way for you to do better at work or for you to be more inspired with your career. At the end of the day, they are actually making money out of you, you know. So they do sell stuff like this and they get a cut out of this. So the best thing that you can get out of having an idol or having like somebody that you look up to is to get some sort of like positive influence. If it's just like blind fanaticism or blind love for bands such as Blackpink or celebrities or artists, it can be just one way. So there has to be something in it for you apart from you feeling like, I don't know, butterflies in your stomach each time you see your favorite celebrity. So again, guys, the word for today is to use whatever you get or whatever you see from your favorite celebrity as a positive influence so that it has a positive impact on your life. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our unboxing for today. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And again, I apologize for my voice. I'm still under the weather. Hopefully by next week, I'll be 100%. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.